When you look up at the night sky, you might have noticed that all the stars seem to be rotating around a single point. Near that point, there is a special star that barely moves at all, the North Star. The North Star is one of the easiest ways to find north. To locate it, all you need to do is connect the two bright stars at the front edge of the Big Dipper's bowl and extend the distance between them about 5 times. This line will lead you directly to the North Star. So, why doesn't the North Star move like the other stars? The reason is that the direction in which Earth's rotational axis points in space passes very close to the North Star today. As Earth rotates on its own axis, the sky appears to spin. However, since the North Star is so close to the center of rotation, it remains nearly stationary. For centuries, sailors and explorers relied on the North Star to find their way. For instance, while crossing the Atlantic Ocean, Christopher Columbus would measure the height of the North Star above the horizon to determine his latitude. This is because, in the Northern Hemisphere, the altitude of the North Star in the sky is remarkably close to your actual latitude. By holding the North Star at exactly 28 degrees with his quadrant, Columbus was able to set sail for new worlds without losing his way. However, there is an interesting fact here. The North Star is not always the same star. How so? Earth moves in a way similar to the wobbling motion of a spinning top. This phenomenon is called axial precession. Earth's axis traces a large circle in the sky roughly once every 26,000 years. Because of this, the direction the axis points changes over time. For example, about 5,000 years ago, when the ancient Egyptians were building the Great Pyramids, the ruler of the night sky was the star Thuban. Some observation galleries inside the pyramids were designed to align perfectly with Thuban at that time. Yet, due to Earth's wobbling, those galleries no longer point to Thuban today. Instead, they point to Polaris, our current North Star. Going even further back, about 12,000 years ago, the sky's pole star was much closer to Vega. Interestingly, in about another 12,000 years, Vega will become the North Star once again. This means that even the night sky, which seems completely unchanging to us today, is actually in a constant state of flux. Although a human lifespan is far too short to notice this shift, over thousands of years, the sky takes on a completely different appearance. In short, the North Star is not a permanent marker of the universe, but rather a temporary companion to Earth's wobbling axis. Don't forget to subscribe for similar content and turn on notifications to stay updated on new videos. May your skies always be clear.